Hello everyone. Do you know that formulas are the fundamental blocks of mathematics and science, and there are some techniques that can help you remember them easily? Make use of the periodic table. Familiarize yourself with the chemical symbols, recognize a pattern in the characteristics of the elements to remember them easily. Some of the symbols are derived from Latin language, such as sodium stands for Na, which means natrium in Latin. Whereas some chemical symbols are derived from English, such as O, which stands for oxygen. Mathematical and science-related words and formulae requires peace of mind. Math and science issues cannot be taught under stress. Rest your thoughts. Practice your formulas as much as possible. It is better to keep memorizing the formulas. List all relevant formulae on a page and review them whenever you have time. Keep away from any distractions. This includes not just the electronics, but others such as hunger, thirst, sleepiness, and so on. Experts suggest that it is crucial to use memorizing techniques as they will help you learn faster and better. We hope this video helped you with memorizing techniques. Share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe to this channel for such informative and valuable videos. All the best!